How to have YouTube play in the background. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can have YouTube play in background, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make YouTube play in background, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the YouTube app, and then you need to make sure that you have premium, because as you can see I also have YouTube premium over here. Only after you have YouTube premium you will be able to go ahead and then basically have a YouTube video play in the background. So let me refresh it again. Now once you've done this, what you have to do is, after you make sure you have premium, tap the profile icon from the top right and go to settings. Then once you go to settings, go to general. Then here you'll find this option called picture in picture. Make sure to turn it on. After you've done that, long press the YouTube app icon here, then just tap the I button. Once you tap the I button, just go to this option called picture in picture and set it to allow. Once you've done either of these steps, next time whenever you play a specific video and when you minimize it, the video is actually going to get played in the picture in picture mode, and you can even resize it or zoom, pinch in, pinch out, and while also using some other applications in the background. And this way you'll be able to have YouTube play in background. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.